Meaning of Emily Post.
Emily Post.
Emily Post.
Emily Post.
Emily Post. Emily Post was an American author and etiquette expert who gained notoriety in the early 20th century for her influential books on proper behavior. Her most famous work, Etiquette, in Society, in Business, in Politics, and at Home, provided guidance on everything from table manners to appropriate attire and became a bestseller upon its initial publication in 1922. Over the years, Emily Post has become synonymous with good manners, and her legacy continues to shape social norms and expectations to this day.